Our journey begins where the sun rises, on vast agricultural fields where the raw material for tomato sauce reaches absolute perfection.
Only the ripest, deepest red fruit is selected. This intensity of color and flavor is the foundation of quality tomato sauce.
Precision agriculture employs colossal machinery. These specialized harvesters cover immense acreage with incredible speed. The harvesting process is surprisingly gentle, designed to minimize damage and maximize the retrieval of whole, ripe tomatoes.
In mere seconds, acres of ripe tomatoes are transformed from field crop to industrial input, all destined to become premium tomato sauce.
These bins hold tons of fruit, protecting the raw material for tomato sauce during its first transportation phase.
Efficiency is key. Once full, these precious raw materials must immediately begin their journey to the factory, preserving their freshness.
The clock is ticking. This logistical challenge ensures that the flavor profile of the ripe tomatoes is locked in before processing can even begin.
Across miles of varying terrain, the foundation of the world's tomato sauce speeds toward the mega factory.
After a grueling drive, the ripe tomatoes arrive at their final destination, the fortress of flavor transformation. Every single pound of raw material is accounted for. This precision input measurement ensures optimized yield for the tomato sauce production.
Even before unloading, rigorous quality control begins. Samples are extracted to assess ripeness.
The Brix level dictates the inherent sweetness of the fruit, a crucial variable that determines the final taste profile of the tomato sauce. The moment of transformation commences. The sheer volume of ripe tomatoes needed for global tomato sauce demand is staggering.
Water becomes the primary conveyor. The natural buoyancy of the ripe tomatoes aids in initial debris separation.
From sun-drenched fields to sanitized factory floor, the ripe tomatoes are now poised to become the world's most desired tomato sauce.
Every step is designed to ensure purity. No field residue can contaminate the early stages of the tomato sauce batch.
Human eyes remain the ultimate quality checkpoint, ensuring only the highest caliber ripe tomatoes proceed to be processed into tomato sauce.
High above the intake bay, the journey continues, climbing toward the intense heat and crushing power of the processing line.
A final, powerful rinse ensures that the ripe tomatoes are pristine, guaranteeing the integrity of the final tomato sauce product.
This is the point of no return. The whole ripe tomatoes are ready to be transformed into their liquid destiny.
The initial crush releases the vibrant juice and pulp, creating the raw base material that will soon become thick, luxurious tomato sauce. The raw pulp, hot from the initial friction, is immediately pumped towards the heating stations to stabilize and prepare the batch for processing. Rapid heating deactivates enzymes and prevents decay, locking in the fresh flavor profile of the tomato sauce.
Welcome to the heart of the mega factory, Phase 2, where precision machinery refines this raw material into culinary gold.
To achieve that signature smoothness, high-tech screens filter out all unwanted solids, leaving only the pure essence of the tomato sauce.
Even byproducts are handled efficiently, ensuring minimal waste in the creation of premium tomato sauce.
The secret to rich effective penetration lies in the evaporator. Water boils at lower temperatures.
The resulting paste is intensely flavorful, up to 7 times more concentrated than the original raw pulp.
Now, the concentrated paste is meticulously blended back to the desired consistency required for smooth tomato sauce. Flavor perfection demands precision. Every ingredient is measured to the milligram, ensuring batch consistency across all tomato sauce products.
Homogenization breaks down any remaining particles, creating the perfectly silky, uniform texture expected of premium tomato sauce.
Held in sterile, controlled environments, the final tomato sauce awaits its vessel. It is perfectly blended, perfectly seasoned, and perfectly safe.
Meanwhile, the vessels for the tomato sauce arrive. Clean, clear, and moving at incredible velocities.
Sterilization is mandatory. Hot steam eradicates any potential contaminants before the tomato sauce is introduced.
This is choreography on an industrial scale. Hundreds of jars must align perfectly to receive the carefully crafted tomato sauce.
The rich, hot tomato sauce is filled to exact volumetric specifications, ensuring every consumer receives the correct amount. The hot fill process naturally seals and pasteurizes the tomato sauce, extending shelf life without compromising flavor.
Lids are applied and sealed instantly. This creates a vacuum, ensuring the freshness and safety of the packaged tomato sauce. The seal is instantaneous. The journey of the tomato sauce inside this jar is now paused, awaiting distribution. To prevent flavor degradation and prepare for labeling, the jars of tomato sauce must be rapidly, yet gently, cooled.
This controlled descent cools the glass and the tomato sauce evenly, preparing it for the final cosmetic and packaging stages.
Cool, dry, and structurally sound, the finished tomato sauce container is ready to receive its identity. High-speed labeling applies the brand identity, giving the tomato sauce its crucial consumer appeal. Traceability is paramount. Every jar of tomato sauce carries a unique code, linking it directly back to the very batch of ripe tomatoes harvested. Automated vision systems check for even the slightest cosmetic flaw. If the label is crooked or the fill level is off, the jar is instantly rejected. Only perfection continues. The factory maintains absolute quality assurance for its signature tomato sauce. The jars are now prepared for transit, grouped into economical consumer units.
Protective packaging is essential for the long journey ahead. Automation handles the intricate folding process.
A final layer of shrink wrap locks the individual units together, creating a durable, marketable package for the tomato sauce. The final structural challenge, creating perfectly stable pallets capable of global transit. This task falls to the colossal palletizing robots. Each layer is precisely placed, mathematically calculated to maximize stability and prevent shifting during transport.
This protective shield binds the tomato sauce cargo tightly, making it impervious to minor shocks and damage on its international journey.
The final certification confirms the integrity of the pallet. The finished tomato sauce is now ready to leave the factory floor. The final stage of the mega factory is mobilization. The tomato sauce transitions from manufacturing to global distribution.
For a brief period, the tomato sauce rests in the automated wilderness of the modern warehouse, awaiting its shipping orders.
The final destination is now set. Pallets are secured inside containers designed to withstand the rigors of oceanic transit.
The seal is set. The product is protected. The journey of global distribution is about to accelerate.
From concentrated paste to worldwide presence, the ultimate journey of the tomato sauce commences.
Sailing across international waters, the tomato sauce begins its final phase of logistics, connecting continents.
Miles later, the cargo arrives in the dense urban markets, where the demand for quality tomato sauce is highest. Efficiency in the supply chain ensures the tomato sauce reaches the store shelves while maintaining peak flavor. The protective layers are removed, revealing the perfect packaged product beneath. A brief stop in the stockroom, and the tomato sauce is just minutes away from its final resting place. The journey, meticulously planned for months, culminates in this simple act of placement. From field to finish, the finished tomato sauce stands as a testament to industrial-scale precision and quality control.
Chosen by the consumer, the cycle is complete. The raw tomato is now an essential ingredient in kitchens around the globe.
The rich color and robust flavor are preserved, ready to enhance countless culinary creations.
The epic journey concludes here, transforming sunlight, soil, and sheer industrial effort into the foundation of flavor for families everywhere.
But every perfect jar of tomato sauce is only possible because of the cycle of renewal, already beginning under the setting sun.